Zoe and the Secret Animal Words. Zoe loved animals but wished she could understand what they were saying. One day, while sitting in her garden, she heard a tiny voice. It was a squirrel, and it was talking. Zoe listened closely and realized she could understand animals. The animals told her stories of their lives, their worries, and their favorite things. Zoe learned that each animal had its own way of showing love and kindness. She promised to always protect her animal friends and share their kindness with others. From then on, Zoe felt like she was part of a magical world, one filled with friendships across all creatures. The animals taught her that kindness was a universal language, and she promised to speak it wherever she went.